the professional program to reconstruct brittle and damaged hair. The key ingredients of a special reconstructive molecule, keratin and hyaluronic acid, together helps the hair instantly return back to its natural protein balance. The Botugen system penetrates into the problem areas of the cortex and reconstructs damaged hair from the inside, strengthening the cuticle and making it more resistant, compact and elastic. Step 1. Cleansing. Apply the large Botugen clarifying shampoo on damp hair to gently remove any hair impurities. Massage gently, then rinse. Shampoo once again to fully open up the scales by pushing the shampoo against and into the cuticle to prepare it for the reconstructive treatment. Step 2. Filling. After shampooing, apply Botugen filler diagonally on towel-dried uncombed hair. Apply the filler with the help of a syringe directly onto the hair strand, along the whole lengths starting from the back of the head. Massage against the hair scales from the end to the base. This allows the treatment to penetrate deep into the cortex. Make sure you keep a uniformed pressure throughout this process. Cover the Botugen filler with cling wrap and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes under a heat source or a heated cap. Do not rinse. As a guide, you would use approximately 20 ml on short hair, 30 ml on medium hair, and 35 to 40 ml on long hair. Step 3. Restructuring. Remove the cling wrap and apply the Botugen mask with a tint brush on the top of the filler, applying alongside the cuticle for closure. Cover the hair once again with cling wrap and leave on for 5 minutes under a heat source or a heated cap. Then rinse. Step 4. Conditioning. At the basin, apply Botugen mask on towel-dried hair, on the ends and base, massaging for 2 to 3 minutes, smoothing the cuticle closed. Leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Step 5. Styling. To finalise this treatment, spray Botugen filler spray evenly on towel-dried hair prior to blow drying. Spray along the whole lengths. Massage with your hands and proceed to styling. If you are using a hot iron or curler to finish, spray the product on the hair once again to protect the hair at all times from heat. After completing the Botugen treatment, your client's hair will instantly appear thicker and more voluminous. Advise your customers that if they want to get the best results, they will need to use the 3-step maintenance program at home. Warning: the treatment should be performed once every 3 months. and cannot be performed on the same day as another chemical service such as a colour or a smoothing treatment.